I've got a 3-hour DJ set coming up that I need to prep for, and it got me thinking, I wonder if new DJs have any idea about how many tracks should you expect to play in a set. Let's break it down real quick. For most house, tech house or dance floor tracks, they run between 3 to 5 minutes. If you're mixing for about 1 to 2 minutes per track, that gives you room to play more tracks. But here's the thing, it depends on your style. If you like to let tracks breathe, focus on big breakdowns or build-ups, then you might actually end up playing fewer tracks. On average, you aim for around 4 minutes per track. You're looking at about 45 tracks in 3 hours. Push your transitions faster and you could hit around 60 tracks. It's all about reading the crowd, adapting to the vibe on the night. Plan your set, but always stay flexible. Pro tip from me, prepare more than you need. Prepare more music than you need. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more DJ tips, tricks, and mixes. I'm DJ Hurley from MKFM. Until next time, keep spinning, stay creative, and I'll see you in the mix.